Make sure to stand till the end. There is one trick to remove the exterior door handle, otherwise you can break the lining that's integrated in it. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 3 Series or 4 Series generation F31, F32, F30, F33, F36. If you need to remove or replace exterior, front exterior door handles, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that in this video today from start to finish, guys. Because you may have really hard time removing this one, and we'll explain why. Make sure you stand till the end. There is a trick that you need to apply. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check it out. So let's go ahead, start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on that 3 Series, but 4 Series will be exactly the same, guys. Let's explain how to do that now. If you have the one with the keyless entry, you may have an extra cable. We do not have keyless entry, we have the lightning. Okay, the exterior lightning package only, right here. So how do we remove that thing? We're going to remove that seal here, and carefully pry it out without damaging it. Be very careful. Next, right here with our wrench, I think it's a 4mm, there is one screw that we're going to unscrew all the way, guys. Check this thing out, keep unscrewing, keep doing that, right? We keep doing it, we keep doing it, still going. So now when it starts getting loose, okay, that handle will be stuck. Okay, the screw is still there, but that handle will be stuck. What you need to do, open this one a little bit so you have room to move, wiggle, and wiggle it without grabbing the light underneath. Okay, and you need to kind of like give it a little bit of a shake and pull at the same time. Okay, let me see now. Okay, let me see if that screw is still holding. Let's unscrew a little bit more. Okay, that's it. You think that the screw is all the way unscrewed, but it's not. That cap here, the cylinder door lock, can be stuck really bad as well. Okay, because you may have a lot of dust, dirt, contamination, and that can prevent it, guys. Okay, you can see foam coming out as well. That's how it goes, and kind of like it comes in an angle. So the cylinder door lock came out of here just like that. So this is the door handle now, guys, exterior door handle. Let's see if we can remove the light a little bit out of here. Okay, pull it towards the back. Careful, because that thing will want to slide out. You need to come in an angle like that, pull out, twist this way. If you have the keyless entry, you may have a wire here that you need to disconnect, and you can see that thing came out of here just like that. The whole assembly, guys. Okay, front left side, front right side, passenger driver side will be the same. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.